Ever wondered if the cooking oil or moisturizer you're using could be doing more harm than good? We all make choices every day, some small, some big, and some we don't even realize we're making. Like when you reach for that bottle of canola oil, or that tub of moisturizer slop. What if I told you that there might be a better choice out there? One that not only does the job but also brings with it a whole host of health benefits without the slop. You can even throw it on your face for a deep moisturizing or bake it in the oven with some deliciously seasoned potatoes. Be sure to subscribe because I'm going to be exposing all the nasty oils the doctors won't warn you about. Enter the humble coconut. This tropical wonder is not just a pretty face but a powerhouse of hydration and moisturizing properties. Its oil in particular has been hailed as a healthier alternative to the traditional seed oils you might currently have in your kitchen or bathroom cabinet. Gross. So what's the deal with coconut oil? Is it really the miracle worker that some claim it to be? Well, strap in folks, as we journey into the tropical world of coconut oil. Coconut oil, a tropical powerhouse, is packed with a treasure trove of health benefits. Now let's dive into the first wave of these health benefits. Coconut oil is a hydration hero. It helps to replenish and lock in moisture in the body, perfect for those dry skin days, or when you're feeling parched after a long run. No need to worry about dry spells when coconut oil is in your corner. Now let's shift gears and talk about the immune system. It's like the body's personal security team, always on guard to protect us from harmful invaders. Well, coconut oil has a secret weapon to boost this system. It contains a special kind of fat known as medium-chain fatty acids, or MCFAs for short. These MCFAs have the unique ability to fight off harmful bacteria and viruses, acting as your body's personal bodyguard. But what makes these MCFAs even more special? They're super easy for the body to digest and convert into energy. Imagine a race car fueled by the best quality gasoline. That's your body on MCFAs. They don't linger around and get stored as fat. Instead, they get right to work, providing you with a quick energy boost. So, not only does coconut oil keep you hydrated and boost your immune system, but it also fuels your body more efficiently. It's like having a 3-in-1 health package, all wrapped up in a single jar of this tropical elixir. But here's the kicker. These benefits are just the beginning. Coconut oil is like an iceberg. Most of its goodness lies beneath the surface, waiting to be discovered. From enhancing brain function to promoting heart health, the list of benefits continues to grow as more research is done. And that's just the tip of the coconut tree. There's more to discover. So stick around as we continue to delve deeper into the incredible world of coconut oil in our next segment. Ready for more coconutty goodness? Let's dive deeper. Coconut oil is not just a superhero in the kitchen, it's a secret weapon for your skin too. When applied topically, it works wonders as a moisturizer, helping to keep your skin soft, supple, and glowing. But here's the kicker. Coconut oil has a unique ability to penetrate deep into the skin due to its low molecular weight and the way it bonds with proteins. This means it can deliver hydration and nutrients right where they're needed most. But wait, there's more. Coconut oil is also rich in medium-chain fatty acids, which have antimicrobial properties. These fatty acids can help protect against harmful microorganisms. This is particularly important for skin health, as many types of skin infections including acne, cellulitis, folliculitis, and athlete's foot are caused by bacteria or fungi. So, slather on that coconut oil and show those pesky microorganisms who's boss. And it's not just your skin that can benefit from a little coconut love. Your heart might be a fan too. While it's true that coconut oil is high in saturated fat, it's important to remember that not all saturated fats are created equal. The predominant type in coconut oil is lauric acid, a medium-chain saturated fat that's been shown to raise beneficial HDL cholesterol. Now, we're not saying coconut oil is a magic bullet for heart health, but when consumed in moderation and as part of a balanced diet, it's a far cry from the artery-clogging villain it's often made out to be. And let's not forget the role of coconut oil in a healthy metabolism. The medium-chain triglycerides in coconut oil are easily absorbed and quickly converted into energy by the liver. This can lead to increased energy expenditure and potentially help with weight management. So, whether you're using it to sauté your veggies, moisturize your skin, or add a tropical twist to your smoothie, coconut oil is a versatile addition to your health and wellness routine. It's clear that coconut oil is more than just a pretty face in your pantry or vanity. You might be wondering, how does coconut oil stack up against other commonly used oils? Let's dive right in and find out. We'll start with canola oil, a common staple in many kitchens. Canola oil is common for its cheapness and convenience in the kitchen. However, it's packed with omega-6 fats. Now don't get me wrong, omega-6 fats aren't evil. but an excess of them can cause inflammation and other health issues. And in the typical Western diet, we're already getting way too many omega-6 fats and not enough omega-3s. This imbalance can lead to various health problems over time. This adds to the fact that canola oil is heavily processed with harmful chemicals like hexanes and bleaches. Next on the chopping block is soybean oil. Just like canola oil, soybean oil is heavily processed with dyes, bleaches, and other harmful chemicals. It is high in omega-6 fats, contributing to that unhealthy imbalance. It's also commonly genetically modified, which raises concerns about potential health risks. Now, onto corn oil. It's another evil oil that's frequently genetically modified and frequently used, plus it's high in polyunsaturated fats. These fats are unstable and can easily be damaged when heated, creating harmful free radicals. Now let's contrast these with coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which are easily digested and used for energy. It's also high in lauric acid, a type of fat that can boost your immune system. And unlike the other oils we've discussed, coconut oil is stable at medium temperatures, making it a safer choice for cooking. Furthermore, coconut oil is a natural moisturizer that can improve skin health, thanks to its antimicrobial properties. It's also great for hair health, providing natural shine and strength. So, when it comes to choosing an oil for cooking or skincare, it's not just about the fat content or the price tag. It's about the overall impact on your health. And remember, just because something is popular or widely used, doesn't mean it's the best choice for your health. We've been conditioned to believe that all oils are the same, but as we've seen, they're not. So, it's clear that not all oils are created equal. Thinking about making the switch? Let's talk about how to do it. So, you're considering ditching your regular oil for the tropical goodness of coconut oil, huh? Well, it's not rocket science, and it doesn't have to be a drastic overnight change. It can be a gradual transition, and I'm here to give you some practical tips on how to start incorporating coconut oil into your daily life, both as a cooking ingredient and as a moisturizer. Let's start with cooking. Coconut oil has a great smoke point, which makes it great for frying, sautéing, and baking. You can start by replacing your regular oil with coconut oil in one or two of your favorite recipes. How about a stir-fry or a batch of cookies? The subtle, sweet flavor of coconut oil can add an extra layer of deliciousness to your dishes. And remember, you don't have to go all in at once. Take it slow and gradually increase the use of coconut oil in your cooking. Now, let's move on to moisturizing. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer that's packed with hydration and nourishing properties. It's a great alternative to those chemical-laden lotions and creams you find on store shelves. Start by using it as a hand or body lotion after a shower. The oil absorbs quickly, leaving your skin soft, smooth, and smelling like a tropical paradise. You can also use it as a lip balm or a hair conditioner. The possibilities are endless, really. The key to making the switch is to start small and build up gradually. You might not notice a huge difference immediately, but over time, you'll start to see the benefits. Your skin will feel softer, your hair shinier, and your meals tastier. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing you're doing something good for your health. So, are you ready to make the switch? There's a whole world of coconutty goodness waiting for you to explore. And remember, it doesn't have to be an all-or-nothing approach. Every little change you make can have a big impact on your health and well-being. Remember, every little step towards a healthier lifestyle counts. So, are you ready to go cocoa nuts for coconut oil? As we journeyed through this tropical adventure, we unearthed the myriad benefits of coconut oil. Let's take a stroll down memory lane, shall we? We discovered that coconut oil isn't just a kitchen staple but also a marvel of nature that hydrates and moisturizes, making it a fantastic addition to your skincare routine. We delved into the health benefits of coconut oil, touching on how it aids in digestion, boosts immunity, and even enhances heart health. It's a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with medium-chain fatty acids that are easily digestible and beneficial for our bodies. Remember, folks, the secret to a healthier life might just be sitting in your pantry. Contrasting coconut oil with traditional seed oils, it was clear as day that coconut oil is the superior choice. While seed oils like canola, soybean, and corn might be common, they are heavily inflammatory, and they don't hold a candle to coconut oil in terms of health benefits. They are highly processed, often leading to inflammation and other health issues. So it's time to bid adieu to these oils and embrace the tropical goodness of coconut oil. But how do we incorporate this versatile oil into our daily lives? It's simple. Start by using it in your cooking. It's a great substitute for other cooking oils and even butter. You can also use it as a moisturizer or hair conditioner. The possibilities are endless and the benefits profound. As we come to the end of our journey, it's clear that coconut oil is more than just an oil. It's a lifestyle choice, a path towards a healthier life. It's about embracing nature's gifts and making the most of them. So don't just go cocoa nuts for coconut oil, make it an integral part of your life. And with that, we'll wrap up our tropical adventure. Here's to a healthier coconut-filled life. Subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.